po yung pinakamadilim na sitwasyon, kalagayan na pinakitunguhan po ninyo ngayong panahon ng pandemya?
Siguro, I would say, no, off the bat, no, sabi mo nga, real talk, yung fear at anxiety that people will believe our system.
Kayo na frontliner, humarap po dito sa hamon ng buhay, pwede niyo bang ibahagi sa amin yung mga hindi niyo makakalimutang pagkakataon?
Yung fear at anxiety that people will believe our system. Wala kaming reference, no? It's all about experience. Walang class 1, class 2, class 3 level of experience. Wala, no? That's why siguro ang pinakamadilim o very fearful sa akin, or I don't know with the governor, but sa akin is really yung wantingness na sila ay maniwala sa sistema ni governor. No? Yung proseso namin na kailangan pagtiwalaan nila because during these times, I would say it's really hard to trust a system na hindi naman talaga proven or hindi pa talaga nasubukan all these years. So it's really how to tell people, show people, and with me, lead people to trusting the governor's program. It all started sa amin ni Governor when, remember the time noon, meron yung Japan cruise liner na ating mga kababayan, hindi sila Kapampangan, pero Pilipino, na nangangailangan ng kung saan sila lalapag at kung sino ang kukuha sa kanila. So, as you very well know, no, naging konting controversy yon at dinala sa atin dito sa Pampanga, sa Clark, no? And, you know, the governor took it as a challenge, no? Respected him a lot in terms of his health programs. So, nabanggit lang niya, sabi nga na, Jay, kaya ba natin to? Kaya natin to.
Lalaban ako sa mundo, dala ang pangalan mo. Pinoy ako, Pinoy tayo.
Sinumulan namin yung programa. Kaya sabi ko nga, experience-wise, ang ating governor is siguro one of the most experienced when it comes to handling COVID. Because from the first repatriation, no, nandun na tayo, no? Yung paggamit ng PPE, medyo hindi pa natin alam nun, no? Yung pag-donning and doffing, medyo ano pa tayo nun, YouTube lang ang aming pinapanood. And sabi ko nga, no, we really needed help from our colleagues abroad on how to do it, no? Because I had training abroad, kinausap ko sila at tinuruan nila ako, and that was the program that the governor strategized, no? From there, kalahating araw, 2 araw, naghihintay kami dumating yung eroplano, paano sila isasakay, wow, Paolo, it was really crazy, no? Saan sila isasakay? Anong klaseng sasakyan? Gaano kalayo ang uupuan nila? Ipa-plastic ba namin? Lilinisin ba namin? Gaano katagal ang paglinis? No? With the help of JBL, with the help of Dr. Chochoco of JBL, we strategized a plan, no?
We only have 108 cases. But now, for a period of 1 month, from June 16 to present, nagkaroon tayo ng 123 cases. So, saan po nagsimula halos ang mga cases natin? Kamukha po ng binanggit ko sa inyo. Most of them coming from Metro Manila.
Napansin nga ni Governor na parang positive na ibigay na namin yung letter, yung kanyang result. It takes time. Tandaan mo, Paolo, pag sila ay umuwi pa sa bahay, kasalamuha si Lolo, si Lola, lalo na ngayong Pasko, the more yung risk natin na mag-infect sila. Kumbaga, nawawala na yung isolate. Nalolocate natin silang mabilis because of our enhanced PCR system, no? Yung ating sistema sa pag-swab sa kanila. Madali ang location, nalolocate, dilemma natin ngayon pag-isolate.
Batang pasaway at lahat sasabay hanggang mamatay rosta.
Pampanga has the capacity to isolate, and right now, in the past few months, mababa ang aming census, no? Our PNP cannot handle all those quarantines, no? Gaya nga ng mga dating nangyayari, ina-assure tayo ng mga MHOs na ang ating mga naka-home quarantine ay binabantayan ng ating mga barangay at kapulisan. Unfortunately, hindi naman kakayanin yon, no? 24/7. Plus, saan ba nanggagaling yung ating mga nagiging detected? By experience, nakita natin sa mga kasambahay na namamalengke, meron na tayong mga incident sa market, sa wet market, meron tayong incident sa mga parties na dinaluhan ng ating mga kasamahan sa bahay, no? So, kung makikita ninyo, it's really not recommended na mag-home quarantine tayo, no? Ang nakikita natin is really talagang hindi maganda ang resulta pag nag-home quarantine. And I really implore our kabalens, our MHOs, na sana dito sa bagong strategy ni Governor Pineda, na tulungan nyo kami na yung pag-isolate natin, mapaigting natin. Na-locate na natin sila. Siguro naman ang kailangan ngayon, yung pag-isolate, palakasin natin.
I can't stand to fly. I'm not that naive. I'm just out to find the better part of me. I'm more than.
Is it fulfilling? Yes. To be given that trust and that confidence. Does it have its negative or disadvantages? Yes. I cannot practice my craft. No, I've always believed my faith. I'm Buddhist. No, you cannot serve so many masters. No, you have to serve it one day at a time. You have to think of the present moment. Just think about that. What my friend, my colleague, you know, my Dalai. His name's Thich Nhat, no? He's in Paris right now. He keeps on telling me to just live the present moment, no? He has this beautiful thing that he keeps on telling me always, because I'm a physician, no? That is, you know, na sabi niya lagi sa akin na, you know, na always be thankful, always live the present moment. Forget about the past is done. Future, it will take care of itself. Tagal pa nun, sabi niya. It's too long. Tomorrow's too long. You just value what's today. And always pray that you have to be given the strength of humility, the wisdom to do no harm, and the power to heal. Always yan. Every time I do surgeries, every time I have dilemmas in our situations right now, I always ask for the strength of humility.
Men weren't meant to ride with clowns between their knees. I'm only a man